Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to show you how to add an embed code to the Share section of your Simple Booklets Navbar. This is perfect if you want your readers to easily embed your booklet on their own websites, helping you share your content across the web and reach a wider audience. So we're going to get started here on the Simple Booklet dashboard, and we're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Share button. And then we're going to want to make sure our embed code is toggled on. As you can see, mine already is, but for the purpose of this video, we will do it again. And there we go. And as you can see, we have a live preview drawer here on the right-hand side. And this basically shows you exactly what your readers will be seeing when they click on the Share section of your Navbar. So as you make changes over here on this side, it will automatically update here to show you exactly what your readers will be seeing. And so when the embed code option is toggled on, this is what it will look like to your viewers. And as you can see, you click on it here, little drop down opens up. They can pick the size format that they want to embed at. So we have a dynamic fit here or a custom width. And then this is the iframe code itself. So all they have to do is click copy. It will copy to their keyboard and then they can add it to their website. And yeah. And so all of your changes will be saved automatically. When you're done, simply just close the drawer. And that's that. Your Simple Booklet is now ready to be embedded on external websites directly from the Share section of your Navbar. The embed code option enhances the action stage of the reader's journey. It makes it super easy for readers to share your content on external sites, helping you reach a broader audience and encouraging more people to engage with your Simple Booklet. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simple Booklet. Thanks for watching.